Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. If you have been following up with my videos for the past few days, most especially the part that shows how I place my trade, how I've been making huge results with my trade on Jump 75, and also with the ones that my students also did, then definitely you will want to know how to do this successfully. So in today's video I have decided to show you something special that can keep you in the market for a long time, which is amazing 15-minute trend trading strategy for trading Jump 75. Okay, this can help you make lots and lots of money within minutes or even hours, okay, depending on how long you want to go with it. Okay, and you will be able to make consistent money with this if you try this strategy out. But before we can go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skills first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are the type that will if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading activities, or maybe you would like to know more about my any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. All you just need to do is just to check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set it to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have for today. Just the way I have explained to you earlier on in my videos, Jump 75 is also an asset trading is also a trend trading asset. So if you are to trade it, you must be very good with your technical analysis, you must be good with your TA, you must be good on how to you must be able to identify your trend, okay, most especially when it is just starting and when it is ending, because this will help you to know when to come into the trade and when to close your trade for that particular trend and switch over to the other trend. And I'm going to prove that to you, because you can trade the two trend, either you are buying or you are selling. You can sell right now and buy later on the very minute, then you still make the market successfully. So it can be a kind of win-win opportunity for you guys. Okay, that is just the way it works. And like I have explained earlier on, it works just like the movement, the pattern of the movement is just like volatility 75, but it's a little bit easier in in trading when you are trading Jump 75, and you can still make the exact profit. So much profit just the way you are making it with volatility 75. So this is unique, and that is why most of the students are also embracing the opportunity, and they've been putting it into use ever since. And with so like I said, it is a trend trading asset. So all you need to do is to understand the trend first, know how to identify the trend. Once you know how to identify the trend, then the next thing you need to do is, which is your number two thing that is very very important, is to identify your support and resistance level. This will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. So all these trees are three items are very very vital in order for you to trade it successfully. And all these trees are three items are what we are finding using this setup I'm having on my chart presently. The name of the setup is called QDC Creeper Indicator. So let's check out how we can use it to trade successfully. Right here we have our trend for a very long period, so which is also very very vital for us to know how the markets will go within a very long period. Okay, within a period of time. So right here at the top here is our resistance bar, while below here is our support bar. Then you can see the arrows which are the entry, which signifies a sell arrow and a buy arrow. So all these things will help us to know our entry point and exit point. So these are very, very important. So let me quickly explain this to you. This chart is on 15-minute time frame, which means each of these candles takes 15 minutes to be created. So it means that if you are picking up a single candle, definitely you are earning, you will be in the market for a good 15 minutes. So check out, this is a sell trend. Okay, the sell trend started from here, and it started right on this resistance bar, and where we got our sell signal. So right from there, the first thing we should always look out for is the trend. Once the trend is changing from an uptrend to a downtrend, then we should be getting ready to get into the market. And once we get a sell signal on the main chart, then we should go into the market with full force. Okay, now let me give you a quick warning. Okay, you can get a sell, remember this is 15-minute time frame, so we are doing it on 15-minute time frame this time around. Okay, so when we get a sell signal on the main chart, I would like to let you know this. Okay, this is not like boom and crash that we go into positive almost immediately. This works like volatility 75. It might be negative for a while. That is why you need to use the right lot size that will be good enough for your trading capital. So you can place your order here. It might not go in profit immediately. That does not mean that the trend is bad. Okay, it doesn't mean that the trend is not correct. It is still correct, just that it was coming from a very strong uptrend before, so you don't expect it to go immediately into downtrend. Okay, so you need to understand this fact. So you just place your order and let's wait for the miracle to happen. Okay, let's wait for the result of the order. So within a little time you start seeing it going into profit. Okay, so once it starts going into profit, then you can milk the market successfully that way. So far the trend is still in your favor. Okay, if you are having a very strong trading capital, you can leave it open right from here till you are okay with the market. So far the trend is still in your favor, and you can also leave it open till the end of the trend. The trend came to an end right here where we have the arrow showing an uptrend coming up. So all you just need to do is just to close your trade right here for a sell and open a buy order right from here. So this is, I'm just trying to explain the first method to you, right? So you can open a buy order right here. Check it out, a buy order. It went up, came down, went up, came down, and went up, and it keeps on doing that way till it eventually break out successfully, and it's still going up. So this is buy trend at the moment, and as you can see, if you had come in right here for a buy right here where we have our arrow for a buy, check it out, we will have been in huge profit as at now, right? We will have been in huge profit as at now. The same thing is applicable if we had come for a sell right here. We would have been in huge profit. We will have closed this downtrend in huge profit. So you can easily follow this trend and make some money for yourself at the end of the day. You can easily follow it and make good money for yourself, and it's going to, the good aspect of it is it's going to go for a very, very long time. It's going to go for a very long time. Then another way to go about it, more especially for for those with small trading capital, okay, and for those that are yet to develop confidence in trading, in their trading activity, all you just need to do is just understand that, okay, a trend is starting right here. Check out here, a trend is starting right here, and we've gotten a sell signal here. So you can always pick up the sell signals. Okay, we add the sell signal right here, so you can sell right there and exit once you see your blue arrow popping out, and wait for another opportunity. You can bring on, place another order right here and trade till you have another buy signal. Then you exit, then you sell right here again, then exit again, then sell right here and also exit right here. So you can do that all throughout the trend, and that will help you to milk the market successfully without any hiccups, okay, without any fear of you being trapped in the market or losing your money. The same thing is applicable to a buy trend. We got a buy out right here, right just below here, and it went up, and we got a red arrow right here. So this time around, your red arrow will be your exit point. So you can exit the market here, wait for another opportunity. This is another opportunity. You come in right here and exit here. Then we got another opportunity here, which you can come in again and exit here. Then we got another one here. You can come in again and exit right here, because the blue arrow supports the trend of the market at this particular point. We got another blue arrow here, which is your entry point. Then you exit right here. So this will give you the opportunity to milk the market successfully. We got another one here. Then you can exit it right here also. So you can keep on doing this till the end of the trend, guys. You can keep on doing this till the end of the trend. This is very simple to follow. I have one of my students using this strategy, and he has been able to withdraw for about 2 times within the last 2 weeks right now, and I believe he's still going to withdraw before the end of this week, probably by tomorrow or thereabout, because he's really doing well. He has been able to use it to grow his trading capital, and is actually making so much profit with this. So you guys can try this out. This is what I want you guys to do, okay? I just like, I love the practical aspects of it. So this is what I want you guys to do, okay? If you have not been trying out some of these things before, so I don't expect you to go straight into your live account, except for those that have been trading with their live account, so they already understand. I mean, they have the right knowledge of how the indicator is working. So if you are yet to go into your real account, you can try it out on your demo account. If you have been taking some of these trades on your real account and you've been successful with it, or you already understood the way the indicator is working, then you can also go into your real account. So this is what I want you guys to do. I want you to have this set up on your account, probably your demo account, just to try this out first before you try it out on your real account. So follow everything I have explained in this video. If you cannot wait from the beginning to the end of the trend, okay, let's make it easy for ourselves, okay? Don't let us place a single order till the end of the trend. Let's pick on the arrows, okay? Start from the trend, and with this, let's say you are having a sell trend at the moment. Whenever you get a sell signal, make sure you place an order and wait till you get an exit arrow, okay, which is the blue arrow. So you exit immediately, then wait for another red arrow to sell on a sell trend. If it is a buy, if it is an uptrend, rather, if it is an uptrend, then you go for a buy, which is a buy signal, which is the blue arrow. You pick on a buy, you place an order there and close it. Once you see the red arrow, you place an order on the blue bar arrow and close it once you see the red arrow. So I want you guys to try this out. Make sure your chart is on 15-minute time frame, and make sure you have this indicator set up on your chart, and try it out. If it's possible, I mean, it is important to try it out with your demo account first. Once you have perfected this, then you can now go to your real account. But I would advise you to share your results with me first before you go to your real account. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then,